Hi everyone. I am in the south of Paris in France, on the Servier laboratory, where we are constructing a 100,000 square meters building. This year, Vinci Construction will be organizing its International Safety Week for the 7th year running. We are deeply committed to this yearly event as it gives us all the opportunity to define and focus our collective effort on an area where we can further improve safety. The event has enjoyed continued success thanks to your dedication to achieving and share goals of zero accident in our company and a generative and proactive safety cultures to be reached in 100% of our business units. Previous editions were dedicated to each of the staff of the famous Productive and Safety program. Design with safety in design, work execution procedure which must reconcile enhanced productivity with greater safety, the pre-task meeting which provide a unique opportunity to discuss between the method staff and the crew on the key risk at the beginning of any new task, the pre-start meeting which allows job site every morning to make sure that the tasks are understood and are safely organized. And finally, work execution with the ability and the obligation to stop if necessary. Last year, International Safety Week focused on this last step, which encouraged everyone to speak up and stop work when they don't understand the task at hand or when the agreed operating procedure is not being followed. The Productive and Safe program is a one-page summary of what we want to see on every single one of our work sites. 2020 is unlike any other years. We have been hit by a global health crisis, and you have helped us to get back on our job site and running again safely. Thank you very much. We need to live with this new normal as long as necessary and without disrupting our productivity or shifting our focus away from safety. This year, we selected a cross-cutting theme that will be relevant to all the steps of our Productive and Safe program. Identifying and sharing major risks. Why these topics? Because from the very start, from the moment we win a project, through the preparatory, the design and method phase, during the pre-task and pre-start meeting, as well as when we carry the work, we need to have an awareness of the major risk and focus our attention on them with a view to avoid serious and fatal accidents. Since the beginning of 2020, several people have lost their life on our work site, and others have been severely injured. This is unacceptable. We have identified 3 major risks that have led us to the most important number of serious injuries over the past years. 1. Lifting and hoisting. Second, collision between job site vehicles and pedestrians. Third, falls from height. Sharing major risks involves identifying them in relation to each project, discussing them and checking that they have been understood and taken into consideration at all levels of responsibility, and collectively defining the right way of dealing with them. The process applies to all our work sites and projects, but also to other sites where we operate, such as factories, depots and yards, maintenance workshops, and of course, our offices. I would like to thank you for your engagement on a day-to-day basis, and I am counting on you to make this year's International Safety Week a success, with respect of your country's prevention and safety measures. Thank you and be safe.